Warning: it is important that prior to performing this or any other safety or service procedure on any Heil product, that the person performing the work has both read and firmly understands the parts and service manual as well as the product operator's manual, including the detailed safety instructions that accompanied this vehicle. It is up to you to ensure safe operations and processes. You cannot outsource safety. If there is anything that's unclear or that you don't understand, do not attempt to operate the vehicle or perform any of the service or maintenance tasks called out in this video. Quarantine the area, walk away from the vehicle, and contact your supervisor immediately for clarification. It is also important to ensure you wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, hereafter referred to as PPE, before beginning this or any other service or maintenance procedure. This video is provided for informational purposes only and is not intended to be a comprehensive guide in any fashion. This video is not a substitute for proper training, qualification, or experience. Heil makes no warranty, guarantee, or promise by virtue of this video or the information herein. Please see applicable Heil product warranty statements. Please consult your workplace safety policies and relevant operator and service manuals. This video is intended to inform experienced technicians of generalized conditions that may occur on some units and to provide information that could assist in proper servicing of a unit. It is solely up to each technician to ensure the safety of the workspace and the work process. Always watch the video in its entirety before beginning any service operation. Hey, I'm Travis Wallen, the service guru here at Heil Environmental in beautiful Fort Payne, Alabama. Thanks for joining me at the Service Shack. Today we're going to discuss some features of your Heil Automated Side Loader that will help you achieve an optimal payload. When en route, you may have noticed that your packer will automatically cycle after a predetermined number of lift cycles. This is the Select-O-Pack feature that is standard on all Heil ASLs. Leveraging this feature results in less wear on your packing system during the first half of your route, but it's important to know how to adjust this feature for the last half of your route to achieve optimal payload. As the body is filling up, you will need to engage the packer more frequently to help better compact the load. This may require you to adjust the number of lift cycles in your Select-O-Pack settings, so let's quickly cover how to do so. With the system power switch off, press and hold the packer retract button for 5 seconds. The in-cab alarm will begin to sound on the 5th second. Once the alarm sounds, you can press the packer retract button again to add an additional lift cycle. Each press adds an additional lift cycle before engaging the auto-pack sequence. If you wish to disable the Select-O-Pack, after the alarm first sounds, simply do not press the packer retract button again and it will disable. Once you have completed your setup, turn the system power switch back on to lock in your settings. If you disable Select-O-Pack, you can use Auto-Pack, another standard feature on your Heil ASL. The Auto-Pack mode is activated with a quick press of the packer extend push button and is useful for maintaining proficiency while en route. However, when the truck is at maximum capacity, you might need to disable the feature and switch to manual pack to reach your optimal payload. In manual mode, you must hold the packer extend or packer retract button to cycle the packer. Manual mode also disables all control interlocks, so it should only be used on special occasions, and then you should promptly return to auto pack mode. To switch between auto and manual pack with the system power on, press and hold the packer extend and packer retract buttons simultaneously until the in-cab alarm stops sounding. Repeat this process to select your desired setting. If you still have any questions, contact Heil Technical Services at 866-310-4345. Remember, we're here to help in any way we can, so be safe out there and we'll see you next time here at the Service Shack.